Welcome to our video series on maintenance and reliability teams. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving into the role of a maintenance director in an organization. You'll learn what they do, their responsibilities, the traits that make them successful, and the certifications they need. Let's get started. A maintenance director is the one steering the ship in an organization's maintenance department. They set the goals, strategies, and objectives for the department and its team members. They are the guiding force for maintenance supervisors, helping them navigate their individual shifts. But their responsibilities don't stop there. Maintenance directors also lay down the law, creating the maintenance policies and procedures for an organization. They ensure the business meets or even surpasses the standards set by the Occupational Safety and Health, or OSHA, and other relevant agencies. They also design the process for task assignment, completion, and reporting within the organization. Depending on the size of the organization, maintenance directors might report to the business's owner or the vice president of operations. They usually work with a team of supervisors who manage maintenance technicians on different shifts. Their success is measured by key performance indicators like equipment uptime, customer satisfaction survey scores, schedule compliance, and safety metrics such as the number of incidents. They set the overall maintenance department goals, processes, or procedures to accomplish company objectives. They ensure all health, safety, and regulations are adhered to. They create a preventive maintenance system and procedures to keep daily operations running smoothly. They also oversee, motivate, and review maintenance supervisors, managing their training and professional development. A great maintenance director needs to have a big picture mentality, able to create a vision and mission for a maintenance team. They need to delegate tasks and responsibilities to maintenance supervisors effectively, positively, and efficiently. They must understand and follow OSHA guidelines and other regulations, and they should exhibit problem-solving and team-building skills. Larger businesses and organizations with multiple locations or divisions can greatly benefit from having a maintenance director. They need multiple levels of management to keep operations running smoothly and establish accountability. While they may have an office in the C-suite for convenient communication with the executive team, they should also visit different facilities or locations regularly to touch base with maintenance supervisors and provide leadership. There are different types of maintenance directors based on specific business needs and areas of industry. A plant maintenance director sets the tone for the plant maintenance department, including vision and mission creation and establishing the processes and procedures for the operations of plant systems and equipment. A building maintenance director oversees supervisors assigned to specific buildings within a complex, creating processes and procedures for repair and replacement decisions, workflow, and budgeting. A facilities maintenance director creates an overall vision and strategy for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing repair and maintenance objectives for a large facility or group of facilities. Lastly, a CityWorks maintenance director oversees multiple city maintenance divisions, directing and guiding maintenance supervisors to ensure all city maintenance tasks are completed timely. Maintenance directors should already have technical certifications. However, there are management certifications to consider. The Certified Facilities Manager certification is offered through the International Facilities Management Association. The Certified Director of Maintenance Equipment is a joint certification from the North American Transportation Management Institute and the American Trucking Association's Technology and Maintenance Council. This certification is related to fleet management maintenance. The National Association of Housing and Redevelopment Officials offers the NAHRO Certified Manager of Property Operations certification to individuals in management and supervisory positions in the property management arena. So that's a wrap on what a maintenance director does, their responsibilities, traits, types, and certifications. They are the backbone of any maintenance department, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the role, responsibilities, traits, types, and certifications of a maintenance director. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into maintenance and reliability teams. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.